Welcome to our video guide on how to quickly start an LLC in Maryland for free and to obtain an Employer Identification Number (EIN) for your LLC. Why should anyone consider starting an LLC in Maryland? You ask. Well, there are several compelling reasons. First and foremost, forming an LLC provides personal liability protection. This means that your personal assets, such as your home or savings, are separate from your business's liabilities. So if your LLC faces financial difficulties or legal issues, your personal assets remain shielded. Additionally, starting an LLC offers flexibility in terms of management and taxation. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to start an LLC in Maryland. Then as a bonus, later in the video, I will show you a trustworthy registered agent who will help set up your LLC for free and save you time and hassle. So make sure to stick with me until the end. Let's dive right in. Maryland is a great place to start an LLC because of a high early survival rate, especially for small businesses. There are three main ways you can start an LLC in Maryland. You can do it yourself, hire professional service, or hire an attorney. But in today's video, I will show you how to DIY your LLC registration. Step 1. Name your business. The first step is choosing a unique business name. To make sure that there are no existing businesses with the same name, you can do a search on the Maryland Business Express Business Entity Search section, check possible domain names and social media tags. As well, the last thing you want to do is to register your business name and find out later that you have limited options in terms of your online presence. www.namechecker.com is a great tool you can use for this step. Maryland laws also require you to add the phrase limited liability company or LLC to your name of choice. You cannot use terms like corporation or anything else that could confuse people about what type of business entity you are adding. These words would also require you to have a licensed professional as part of the LLC. Although it isn't a state requirement, you can pay $25 to reserve your chosen business name with the Secretary of State for 30 days, just to make sure that nobody else gets it before you get the chance to register it as your own. Step 2. Get a registered agent. LCC in Maryland are required to have a registered agent who will serve as a primary point of contact for anything that has to do with your business. Although it is possible to register your own name or the name of friends and family as an agent, I highly recommend getting a professional. The registered agent will be receiving and managing tax warnings, subpoenas, and other critical legal papers on your behalf. While you may have trusted friends and family members who are willing to help out, a professional registered agent has the training needed to sort out potential issues and protect your company at all costs. Your registered agent also needs to be available during business hours and should have an actual physical address, not a P.O. box. While you might be tempted to use your own home address as the registered location, it's going to be part of a public record and might not be a wise move to expose your personal address. In this case, I recommend you use services like Anytime Mailbox. They will provide you with a physical business address, scan your mail, and even forward it to your home. It's a very useful service at a very low cost. Step 3. Filing the Articles of Organization. The next step is filing the Articles of Organization, which is filed with the Maryland Department of Assessments and Taxation. It usually costs $155 for both domestic and foreign LLCs. What's the difference? A domestic LLC means that you're a resident of Maryland who wants to build a business in Maryland. On the other hand, a foreign LLC means that you live outside Maryland but would like to build a business or start a franchise of an existing business in Maryland. This part of the process can take 6 to 8 weeks, but you can pay an extra $50 for a 10 business day expedited service and a $425 for a 3-hour rush service. The good news is Zen Business can help you with this process for free, as well as the 2 other previous steps, plus allow you to feel secure knowing that a professional is looking after your business. Step 4. Prepare an operating agreement. The state of Maryland doesn't require LLCs to have an operating agreement, but I recommend having one in place, especially if there are other members deciding for the business. An operating agreement outlines every critical process that needs to be followed, especially when it comes to big picture issues. These issues may include allocation of earnings and losses in case of companies is solved, decision-making process, and voting rights transfer of membership interest, profits and losses, and any other concerns that impacts the business overall. And if you find this information useful for your business, feel free to like and subscribe to my channel for more helpful content like this. Step 5. Obtain an EIN. Getting an Employer Identification Number or an EIN comes next. An EIN is a federal tax ID used by the IRS and is used to identify your firm on tax filings. This is also the identifier used when you pay your business privilege tax, open a bank account, or apply for permits and licenses. I know most processes where the IRS is involved can get tricky and confusing. Filling out this complicated forms also takes longer to complete than the previous steps. This makes having a registered agent who can handle all of this for you even more beneficial. Now, the trustworthy registered agent who will help set up your LLC for free and save you time and money. You don't need to worry about most of those steps if you have someone like Zen Business take care of the setup process for you, which means you do not have to do any of the previous steps. 1 to 5 Zen Business offers a one-of-kind deal at absolutely no charge for the first year. Zen Business will prepare and handle your state filings and help you check whether the business name you want is available or not. You only have to pay the state filing fees of $155. Going the DIY route means that you will have to pay the fee anyway, so why not free up your time to work on your actual business and let Zen Business take care of what they do best? This is it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.